This is how to fix messenger icon is not showing up in your Instagram, so let's fix it. The first thing that you need to do is to simply tap and hold on your Instagram app and then click on app info. Here in the app info, you have to just click on the force stop option first and then OK. Now click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache first. Click on clear storage and then OK. Right after that, close this window and then try to again log in back to your Instagram account. This time hopefully your problem will be fixed. But make sure that you are using the updated version of your Instagram. So right after logging back to your Instagram account, maybe your messenger icon will be back. If still your problem persists, then you have to just click on the profile icon at the bottom right and then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Click on the settings and now click on privacy and then scroll all the way down, click on the messages, and here you have to just make sure that you don't have to change any of the option here. You have to just wait here for 30 to 40 seconds. Right after that, you have to just close these windows and then again tap and hold on your Instagram app. Again click on app info and then again try to clear the cache and the storage of your Instagram. Once you're done, you have to just again log in back to your Instagram account and this time your problem will be fixed 100%. So that's how can you get your messenger icon back in your Instagram account. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.